welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day today. Today is finally day that I get to show you guys how I wave my hair with my one and only the foxybae waver. You guys know that I'm obsessed with foxybae. I have their straighteners, their curlers, their wands, their brushes, everything you can name it, I have it. I'm obsessed with foxybae, and I know if you guys purchase this, you guys will be so obsessed as well. In all of my videos, all of my Instagram pictures, you guys have seen that my hair has been waved, and I just love the way that it looks because it gives your hair so much volume. Everybody who's came to my house has tried the wand or the waver and has actually bought it themselves because they end up obsessed just like me. So if you guys want to go ahead and see how I end up waving my hair and how it looks after, then just keep on watching. So I went ahead and showered this morning. My hair just air dried, and I like to kind of do that so I don't have to blow dry my hair a lot. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and brush my hair with my foxybae brush. I love it. It does not pull my hair at all. It feels so smooth. And best of all, I can put this in my purse, and it has like a back mirror. Well, it's like a reflection, but it works like a mirror, and I love it. So what we're gonna go ahead and start off by doing is that we're gonna split the hair in half. I've always had my hair in half. I don't know if you growing up, your mom would always split your hair in half, but that's what my mom did. So that's how my partido is. Might be a little chuequito, but that it's stuck with me for life now. So I go ahead and do that, and then I part this side of my hair as well, like this. But before I do that, let me go ahead and show you guys exactly what the name is on the website, because it is a new product. I believe it's the only waver that they have on their website. But let me just tell you guys the name. So it is called the Rose Gold Wavy Baby Triple Waver. So it has a full-on long name, but you guys won't have trouble finding it because I will put the link down below in the description box, as well as the name, and it is the only waver that they have, as I can see. So you guys will be able to find it. Don't forget to use my coupon code for a lot of money off. I know the regular price on this one is a little bit over $200. Once you use my coupon code, I think it ends up being like around $80. I don't know too exact, but you guys will definitely get a huge hookup with my coupon code. So do not forget, it is foxybae, or no, it is Foxy Cassandra on their website. But let's go ahead and get started in styling this hair. I put this side onto a little hair tie, and when it comes to each piece that you're gonna put into the waver, you can choose. You can do big pieces, small pieces, as long as it fits in here. You'll be good, but I like to use little portions like this. So all you do is go ahead and do this. Super easy going. You guys will obviously get the hang of it as you go, and you can just count seconds. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you just go down, and you guys can already see how good it looks. Look at that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I always forget to count, and you guys can see how good it's looking. Once you get the hang of it, obviously it's just faster. And there goes the first piece. I made sure to wear a colored shirt today because I always wear black, and since my hair is so black, you guys can't see it a lot of the time. So yeah. Have it. This is half of my hair done, and this one you guys can see obviously how much flatter it is and how much volume having it waved gives you. And when it comes to the length, let me kind of stand up. It does not take a lot of your length, so I love that. So cute. So let's go ahead and start on this side now. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. I'm going to brush out this side of my hair. And we're going to start with the same portion. Like this. I went ahead and finished this side, but like I said, I went ahead and parted just one little part this way. That way you guys can put your hair behind your ear and give this side more volume. So I just go ahead and crimp it like this. Another thing that I like doing before I call it a day, I like to go back here and grab maybe like a couple pieces and re-crimp them, because in the back you don't want to have el partido, you want to have it to be split in half. Of course somebody else can help you with this, just do like your back hairs, but since I don't have anybody to help me, I just like to do this. And your hair, it's like, for example, this was already crimped and I'm re-crimping it just so the back parts can be even. It re-crimps like nothing. You guys have it. This is how my hair looks. Let me show you both sides. I usually like to push this one back, put it behind my ear, and go like this. And it feels so good. Literally the waves last till the next day. You guys probably have seen me in my vlogs. My hair is waved like the next day, como si apenas me lo hubiera hecho. So it's so cute. Definitely will have you feeling like a brand new person, trust me. It's so cute. There is the final product. I'm so obsessed. You guys can do it like any way to give you guys more volume. Obviously you can hairspray it, part it into half, whatever. It's actually pretty easy to work with and it is so cute. I remember being young and like braiding my hair into little tiny braids at night, having to wake up the next morning, take my braids off before school so my hair can somewhat look like this. And even then it would look so frizzy. You would have to like put mousse and everything so your hair can like tame down. But this is honestly a lifesaver. I love the way that it looks. I like the way that it feels, and you guys can tell on your own how good it looks. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this mini tutorial on how to wave my hair with the foxybae waver. Trust me, if you guys go on the website and purchase it, you guys will be hooked up with my discount code. Don't forget, it is Foxy Cassandra. You can just enter it at checkout and you guys will get a lot of money off. But you guys will absolutely love this waver if you want to purchase it for your sister, as a gift, Christmas gift, whatever the case may be. I know everyone will love this waver. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys all enjoyed this and loved my hair. I will see you guys all on my next video. I love you guys all so much. Bye.